Welcome to my science class. Dear students, in the previous class we have learned about agriculture. What is agriculture and two types of crops. They are kharif crops and rabi crops, and then agricultural practice. Under agricultural practice we have discussed about the first step, that is preparation of a soil, that is loosening and turning of soil using some of the agricultural implements. They are plow, hoe and a cultivator. So in today's class, let's learn some other practices of crop production. They are sowing and adding manure and fertilizers. Have you ever noticed your mother putting some grains or seeds in a vessel and pouring some water to it? So what happens after few minutes? Yes, seeds starts to float. So what is the reason behind this? Some damaged seed float on water because they are hollow and lighter. So here is an activity for you. You do it yourself. Take a beaker and fill half of it with the water. Put a handful of wheat seeds and stir well. Wait for some times. So what happens after some times? You will see this result, right? Some seeds float on water. Are there seeds which float on water? Yes. Would those be lighter or heavier than those which sink? Why would they be lighter? Usually damaged seeds become hollow and are thus lighter. Therefore, they float on water. This is the good method for separating good healthy seeds from the damaged ones. Before sowing, one of the important tasks is to know about the tools used for sowing seeds. Okay, so sowing is the most important part of a crop production. Before sowing, good quality seeds are to be selected, and good quality seeds are clean and healthy seeds of a good variety. Farmers prefer to use seeds which give a high yield. Before sowing, one of the important tasks is to know about the tools used for sowing seeds. So in this video, you will see a traditional tool used for sowing seeds. The tool used traditional for sowing seed is shaped like a funnel, as you see in this video. The seeds are filled into the funnel, passed down through two or three pipes having sharp ends. So here the pipes are in blue color. And these ends pierce into the soil and place seeds there. This is one of the traditional tool used to sow seeds. See how they are going to sow a seed. But nowadays the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors. So in this video you will see the new method of sowing seed by using seed drill. This sows the seeds uniformly at equal distance and depth. It ensures that seeds get covered by the soil after sowing, and this protects seeds from being eaten by birds. Sowing by using a seed drill saves time and labor. And also appropriate distance between the seeds is necessary to avoid overcrowding of plant. This allows plants to get sufficient sunlight, nutrients and water from the soil. At times, a few plants may have to be removed to prevent overcrowding. And this seed drill machine is attached to the tractor. So this is about sowing of seeds. We have seen the traditional method of sowing seeds and at present how the seeds are sowing. The next step is adding manure and fertilizers. So what are for manures? Okay, the substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called manure. Okay, manure and fertilizers. Mainly they supply nutrients for the plant. These nutrients are essential for the growth of plants. Continuous growing of crops makes the soil poorer and in a certain nutrients. Okay, now let us see about the manure. Therefore, farmers have to add manure to the fields to replenish the soil with the nutrients. See, we have already learnt about the soil. Soil consists of some of the humus. Even soil itself provides nutrients to the plant. Along with this, but these nutrients are not sufficient for the plant, growth of the plant. Therefore, farmers have to add some more manure, nutrients to the plant in the form of manure or fertilizers. And the process of adding manure to the plant in the field is called manuring. Improper or sufficient manuring results in a weak plants. So manures are made by the waste plants or dead decayed organisms like vegetable waste, etc. Okay, and they are organic. They are prepared in the field. Then what are fertilizers? They are chemical substances. They are inorganic substances which are rich in a particular nutrients. So how are they different from manure? Fertilizers are produced in factories, whereas manures are produced by the farmers, okay, in the field. The use of these fertilizers has helped farmers to get better yield of crops such as wheat, paddy and maize. So mainly these fertilizers are what? Chemical substances. Manures are organic substances. Manure consists organic substances. And also if you use excess fertilizers in the field, it may damage the plants. So let's see what are the disadvantages of fertilizers. But if we use excessive fertilizers, then it pollutes the soil, and also fertilizers became a source of water pollution. Mainly if we use more fertilizers, since it consists high chemicals, it may damages the plant as well as it decreases the fertility of the soil also. This is the main drawback of using fertilizers. Then what are the advantages of manure? So it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. That is one of the use of using manure in the field. Also it makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gas becomes easy. And it increases the number of friendly microbes. Also it improves the texture of the soil. So these are the advantages of a manure. Now let us differentiate between fertilizers and manure. This is one of the important question. Okay, what is the difference between fertilizers and manure? A fertilizers is an inorganic salt. Okay, it is inorganic compound, whereas manures are organic substances. They are natural substances obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung, human waste and plant residues, means waste plants. Second one, a fertilizer is prepared in factories, but manures can be prepared in the field. A fertilizer doesn't provide any humus to the soil, whereas manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. And last one, fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Mainly fertilizers consist these nutrients, NPK. In short we say NPK, that is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. So this is about the differences between fertilizers and manure. Okay, so in today's class we learned about sowing of seeds, the traditional tool used to sow seed, and the present, the modern tool, that is seed drill, is used to sow seed, and then organic manure, and about the fertilizers. Now here it's time to give a homework. Okay, so the today's homework is exercise part, that is first main, choose the correct answer and match the following. These two questions you have to answer. You find the answers, search the answers in the from the textbook, and write it in your notes book. Okay, and third one you already wrote in the previous class, what is kharif crops, and give an example. No need to write the third one. And fourth one also don't write. Then write the fifth one, that is how fertilizers are different from manure. Make a 2 column and write the differences of fertilizers and manure, and learn these question answers. Thank you.